How to set password in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can set password in WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch the WhatsApp application in your mobile device. After that, tap on the three dot icon at the top right and head over to settings. Under settings, tap on account. Then here you have to enable two-step verification in order to add password. Tap on two-step verification, then here tap on turn on. It will ask you to create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. So add your PIN, then tap on next. Again, you have to confirm it, then tap on save. Now, once you have done that, you could also add your email in case you forgot your PIN for the backup. If you want to add email, head over to add email, then add your email. If not, tap on skip, then tap on skip email. So once your two-step verification is turned on, you could go back, close the WhatsApp, and now open up WhatsApp in your device, and you may be prompted to ask the two-step verification PIN. So enter the two-step verification PIN, and once you have entered, now you could have access to WhatsApp in your mobile device. So that is the way to set password in WhatsApp, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.